Alaska continues to put the pressure. Johnny with a nice jumper.
Walang kumover kay Johnny Abarrientos doon. Ginamit yung pick and now the lead of Shell is down to 1. Kenny Redfield laban kay Sean Chambers. Uy, nice dribble. At tuloy-tuloy Kenny Redfield ng exhibition.
Tama sa 3.
Momentum has shifted towards Alaska Bill. Big triple V there. Johnny Abarrientos lumusot. Pinigay kay Hawkins.
Well, very good communication and a nice pick and roll between the two friends on the squad.
Bong Hawkins laban kay Johnny Escobar. Sumama si Benji Paras. Naiwan si Ports Williams sa ilalim. Started the third quarter of action here. 4-point lead para sa Formula Shell. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Bong Hawkins beats it.
Yes, 9 points in the ball game to lead the Alaska cause. The other player who scored well for them was Carriazo with 7. On the other side, Parasas 10. 6 points apiece from Redfield, Escobar, and 7 points from Richie Tixon.
So the score is, or rather the lead is down to 2 para sa Formula Shell. Nasa kanilang bola. Benji Paras starting his move against Guinyo. Jojo Lim picks up a pass. 1 second on the shot clock. Inabot ang Formula Shell. Hindi nakaporma.
Yes, good defense by Alaska.
Oy.
Because it seems that there seems to be some pain on the back there for Sean Chambers, who was trying to dive to save the ball. No? Medyo he picks himself up very quickly. Kasama niya si Dr. Sun, team physician ng Alaska team. Medyo kilala natin ito dahil we did cover some Alaska provincial games and nakasabay rin natin kumain ito sa labas. A very amiable fellow.
Oh yes.
Who certainly enjoys his basketball and his work with the Alaska basketball squad. It's been fruitful for the last 3 years.
That's true. Samantala, si Sean Chambers, medyo winisik-wisik lang yung sakit sa kanyang likod at okay na naman.
Parang rin si Jorge Villamin and a guy that I used to work with in the past, si Jimmy Noblesada. Konting problema lang yan. Kaya natin maglaro niya. Wala yan.
Samantala, Jojo Lastimosa, sinusundan pa rin ni Jojo Lim. Binigay kay Johnny Abarrientos. Jumper ni Johnny. Kumalog pero di pumasok. Sean Chambers! Wala pa rin! At merong foul na nakita sa referee by Ledesma.
Foul on Kenny Redfield.
Kenny Redfield picks up his second personal foul.
Well, another thing that you can say, which you don't have to predict, as you see this play, that foul by Kenny Redfield, the pushing on all these things, from this day on until this series finishes, siguro marami ng banggaan dyan sa loob makikita. Ihanda nyo na yung katawan ninyo kung player kayo. Masaktan na kayo. You know, you're going for a championship. It's not easy to play for a championship.
Alam po natin mga kaibigan, pagkatapos ng bawat laro, maraming bugbog sa katawan itong mga player nito. Pero sabi nga ni Dr. J, championship ito dapat asahan mo yan.
Yes.
You have to expect that. As you look at Richie Tixon, still down on the sidelines. Medyo kanina po nakapagbanggaan niya kay Jeffrey Carriazo. Bumulagta dyan sa hardcourt. Medyo malakas po yung bangga na yun. Kaya medyo nililimber up siguro.
Well, ang nangyayari dyan, pareho silang tumatakbo, no? So, you have the force of two people coming with that velocity.
Sabi ko na nga ba, magbibisik. Alam mo naman, mahina ako dyan. Pwedeng language na lang tayo. Meanwhile, illegal defense na tatawagin sa Alaska. Pangalawang violation na yan ng Alaska. Kanya at bibigyan po ng technical free throw ang Formula Shell. Super unleaded, si Romel Santos po ang titira.
Well, he has no scores in the ball game. Medyo siguro magaling sa free throw shot ito. Kaya sabi ni Narbasa, ikaw na ang kumuha niyan. Maybe that will give you the confidence to also come up with some good jump shots, which we're gonna need in this ball game.
Iba na yung nakakabuena mano.
Saka nagkakaroon ng buwelo.
Romel Santos against Johnny Abarrientos. Kenny Redfield laban kay Sean Chambers. Uy, nice dribble. At tuloy-tuloy, Kenny Redfield ng exhibition.
Medyo nasaktan naman si Kenny Redfield. He's still in the backcourt. Baka natamaan sa sensitive parts.
Sean Chambers.
Offensive foul. Parehong referee made the same call.
Offensive foul on
He kicked off.
Magkakaroon po ng referees. Tama ba? Hindi na.
Wala. It was just, you cannot do that. He was tying his shoelaces, no? So, problema niya. You can see where Kenny Redfield is holding that sensitive part.
Ito na naman, subaksak sa loob. Kenny Redfield, running shot. Wala. Coach Winyo para sa rebound. Binigay kay Bong Hawkins. Johnny Abarientos. Subaksak tuloy-tuloy.
That was a blast of speed there by Johnny Abarientos, no?
Sumingit sa ilalim. 4 points for the Flying A, and the Shell lead is down to 3 at 34-31.
We are in the third quarter, 9.5 minutes left. Post a play for them against Lastimosa.
Near steal by Alaska. Last touch on 12 minute shot called by referee by Ledesma. At sabi ni Coach Chito Narvasa, dapat daw kanilang bola pero wala na sila magagawa.
I don't think he complains that much no, about those kind of calls, which are judgment calls. No? At saka nasa harap nila. I think he realizes na malamang tama yung tawag.
Hindi pala reklamo yun. Tinuturo niya si Richie Tixon na pumasok.
Change Romel. Johnny's getting away with murder there in that last play.
Coach Video ngayon. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Uy, kabit! Kabit na kabit. Benji Paras. Kenny Redfield. Romel Santos. Yes!
Alam mo yung buena mano na sinasabi mo, that's a fulcrum. Yan na.
Kaya na naman yung physical. Pilit ko kinakalimutan yan. Pinapaalala mo na naman sa akin. 36-31. 5-point lead para sa Formula Shell. 8 minutes and 38 seconds to go in the third quarter. Bong Hawkins lamang kay Johnny Escobar. Sumama si Benji Paras. Naiwan si Porch Williams sa ilalim. Tumulong si Benji.
Yes, and nobody covered this man. But you know, Hawkins is doing a great job scoring. Galing pa pumasa ni Hawkins off a double team. May depensa, may rebound. Almost a complete player. Sasaksak na naman si Kenny.
Medyo nang gigigil si Kenny Redfield Pero merong foul na tatawagin. Humarang si Sean Chambers, humarang si Coach Winyo. Si Sean Chambers ang tinawagan ng kanyang pangatlong personal foul. Patiin naman natin yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa mga probinsya. Naimbag na rami yung amin. Dyan sa, dito Ilocos, La Union, Abra. Mga kaibigan natin dyan. At dyan sa Pangasinan. Labid si kayo namin. Kabaloyan. Turo sa atin ni paring Al Mendoza medyo pinapractice natin yan Baka patawag tayo ni number 1.
Sama ako dyan.
Asinggan.
Sama ako dyan. May dala pa akong tabako.
Ako golf club.
Pwede na rin. Well, Al really lives in Macataren, which is just the town after my wife's town of Camiling. Magkakabiyan actually. So, sabi ko sa'yo, dumaan ka sa bahay. Huwag ka lang magdadala ng inuman. Bawal sa akin na ngayon.
Alright, 38-33. 5-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Johnny Abarientos off balance shot. At si Escobar ay nakuha yung rebound. At si Hawkins at tatawagan pa ng loose ball foul. Pangalawa niya.
Well, you know, Escobar is beginning to step into the shoes of that parang power forward for Shell and coming up with good defensive rebounds. Yung dating ginagawa ni Terry Saldana, well, he's beginning to fade. You know, so Escobar is coming in and picking up those rebounds that they need so badly.
Narito sa Kenny Redfield. Biglang pumukol. Wala. Escobar. Wow! Pinayungan sa ilalim at double jeopardy. Last touch on Johnny Escobar.
No freebies here. In other words, no layups without being contested. Buenas nga doon. Actually, medyo hawak ni Johnny ang kamay ni Jolly. And he thought that the ball would go to him. Pero slight contact. Let go call. 38-33, Shell on top by 5. 7.5 minutes left in this third quarter.
Narito si Bong Hawkins, binabantayan ni Jolly Escobar. Hawkins ngayon wants a clear out. Sumali si Kenny Redfield, nalibre si Sean Chambers, balik ulit kay Hawkins. Yes! Bong Hawkins now with 11 in the game. And in a very low-scoring game like this, that's a lot.
Parang 1/3 na nga yung ginagawa niya of his team's score. 35. Almost 1/3.
Romel Santos, medyo nag-alangan. Lumapit ng konti. Ayun ang sinasabing he who hesitates
is lost.
Lastimosa.
He also hesitated.
Pinigay kay Chambers. Balik ulit kay Chambers from Lastimosa. Jojo Lim grabs the loose ball.
Ito, maghanda ka na talaga. Yung mga sikoy, lumilipat na eh, no?
Parang tikatlo siko ng tao rito. Sobra na isa. Benji Paras, sumatras ngayon laban kay Pochuino. Binigay kay Jojo Lim, libreng tira. Wala. Abarrientos para sa rebound. Just a 3-point lead by Formula Shell here in the third quarter.
So they have hung tough, no?
Oo.
And Alaska continues to put the pressure. Johnny with a nice jumper.
Wala kumover kay Johnny Abarrientos doon. Ginamit yung pick and now the lead of Shell is down to 1.
Well, Johnny has 6 points in the ball game right now. 4 of them here in the third quarter. And you're going to see some substitutions for the unleaded team.
Halfway through with the third quarter. Redfield, sumugod lamang kay Chambers. Hindi makatira nila mas kay Romel Santos. Benji Paras, lamang kay Johnny Abarrientos. Paras puts it up. Wala. Ball is live. Johnny Abarrientos gets to it. Atake ng Alaska. This is their opportunity to take the lead. And Chambers will do it for them. Alaska in the lead after trailing for most of the way. 39-38 with 5:32 to go, third quarter.
Very positive results for Alaska coming off their dugout. They're banging and they're getting away with it. The same thing with Shell. They're also banging on the inside, but they don't have that many bangers also. Yun ang problema nila.
Ito naman si Redfield yun. Sumalubong si Huinyo. Tatawagan po siya ng foul. That is going to be number 4 on Edward Huinyo. Second team foul for Alaska. We have this timeout. Kenny Redfield and they're behind by 1. Uy, nanonood pala si Maricel Laksa. Si Gary V. Mga celebrities po, napakarami dito sa Araneta Coliseum sa gabing ito. 2 misses by Kenny Redfield.
Who's really having a terrible game. He only has 10 points in the ball game. But the biggest missing link, I think, for Shell so far has been Victor Pablo, who has hardly been used and has not scored in this ball game.
Espinosa, 3. Momentum has shifted towards Alaska Milk. Big triple V there by Jojo Espinosa.
Dixon, by the way, has come in together with Peter Naron, replacing the backcourt of Lim and, of course, Santos. Nice drive to the basket by Dixon. No result.
Medyo naalangan siya. Nung makita niya libre siya, nagulat.
Nakita niya si Chambers ang nasa harap.
Carriazo misses on the jumper, but Redfield loses the rebound to Jojo Espinosa. Back-to-back hits by Jonas, and Alaska is up by 6. We have this timeout by Chito Narvasa. Rumarachada po ang Alaska. Kanya bigla nag-timeout si Coach Chito Narvasa. Lamang na kayo ng 6 ang Alaska. Milk, Kenny Redfield from the outside. Wala. Richie Tixon gets to it. Jumper by Tixon. Mahina rin. And a scramble for the loose ball. One out by Vic Pablo.
Well, a couple of shots there for Shell. They have been outscored 17-7 in this quarter. And Kenny Redfield puts a stop to that with a drive on the inside. He has 6 points in this quarter. A total of 12 now in the ball game.
Eh, talagang gigil na nun si Kenny Redfield. Sabi niya, kailangan namin i-score. Bob Hawkins, as you said, a big fiery start by Alaska Milk here in the third quarter, outscoring Formula Shell 17-7. As you look at Leo Martinez, pinapasuki natin ito at mga Alaska yan. Ano ba ba? Well, naging 17-9 yung blast ng Alaska Milk at talaga namang all fired up itong team at yung mga supporters nila sigawan dito. Johnny Abarientos lumusot, pinigay kay Hawkins.
Well, very good communication and a nice pick and roll between the two friends on the squad. Nagkaroon ng mismatch si Hawkins doon, no? Dixon having some problems. Paras with a one-on-one play.
Whoa, big block by Sean Chambers and a steal by Carriazo. Carriazo from midfield. Lastimosa on the trail. Asserting its might here over Formula Shell.
And they're getting a lot of points now on the break, now, which is very important to up your field goal percentage. All of a sudden, it's an 8-point Alaska lead. 2 minutes and 58.
Dito po tayo sa third quarter. Kenny Redfield laban kay Carriazo. Puts it up. And let's see.
Well, there is a lot of physical contact already happening here. You can see that banging. But that's a good block there by Sean Chambers and a poor pass. Here, you're going to see Carriazo lift the ball up and take about 3 or 4 steps towards the basket. That's traveling.
Well, Lastimosa was on the trail to put that one in. Carriazo, by the way, picked up his first personal foul. Narito si Benji Paras, binigay kay Vic Pablo. Redfield ngayon, laban kay Chambers. Nilabas kay Richie Tixon for the 3-point shot. Wala! And the loose ball scramble ends up in the stands.
Kala ko football yung laban. Biglang may sumipa ng bola rin.
And we'll stay with Formula Shell. Pinasok ni Coach Tim Cone for the first time this evening. Ruel Gomez para kay Jojo Lastimosa with 2:38 to go dito sa third quarter.
Well, it's a good time to rest Lastimosa. May lamang ka, di ba? At the same time, you give Gomez a chance to get some points for your team. But you can always field back Lastimosa if you want to. So parang using a little bit more of your bench, no? We are only in the third quarter. This is not over by no means.
Johnny Abarientos picks up his second personal foul. Ito kung si Kenny Redfield, Dr. J, paninasaksak yun.
Well, nakahalata siya na yung outside shot niya is non-existent in this ballgame, especially his 3-point shot. He has missed all 4 of those attempts that he has tried. So he's got to do something about it by driving to the inside where you will get layups or possibly get fouled and go to the 4.5-meter line.
At pagkalabas ni Jojo Lastimosa, ang nilabas ni Coach Chito Narvasa, si Jojo Lim, pinasok naman si Peter Naron.
Nagsa-shuffle siya ng big guard position to try to get more points out of his backcourt. Hirap na hirap siya kumuha ng puntos from that area. No?
Samantala ngayon, 6 na puntos sa kalamangan ng Alaska, 48-42 sa third quarter. Sean Chambers, binigay kay Ruel Gomez. Gomez ngayon, to Carriazo at low post, lamang kay Vic Pablo. Dumating si Johnny Abarientos using the pick. Wala. Peter Naron gets to the loose ball.
Your players are all expecting fouls but none are being called. So you just have to keep on playing. Naka-adjust na sila dun. That's the way it's been called from the very start. That's gonna be called for an offensive. Linagay niya yung elbow niya.
Nauna yung siko eh.
Yeah. It's a good call.
Medyo yung mga panggigigil ni Kenny Redfield lumilitaw ngayon. Makikita po ninyo rito yung kanang siko.
He knocks Bong Hawkins down to the floor.
Magaling mag-react yan si Bong Hawkins sa mga ganyan.
Not going to be hurt. You can see he's up already. He's already on the offensive end.
He just wanted to call attention to that move. Ito po si Hawkins, lamang kay Benji Paras ngayon. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Lamang sila ng 6 here in the third quarter. Hawkins, nakita si Carriazo kumot sa loob! And Chambers puts it in.
They have a very small team right now referring to Alaska because ang nangyayari, nobody's able to box out Sean Chambers on the weak side or the other follow-up shots, no? Kenny Redfield just taking it strong and he's going to go to the line. Personally trying to keep his team, in the game.
Well, he's taking matters into his own hands. Mukhang wala namang gumaganang iba kasi.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, missing link talaga si Victor Pablo who might still be suffering from last game's jitters. No? Yung nangyari sa kanya. Psychologically, he's feeling it. Redfield has missed 3 free throws in this quarter.
Correct. Kanina, 2 sunod. At ito na naman. For the first time, Coach Tim Cone fields in June Reyes. Bibigyan ng konti pahinga ito si Johnny Abarientos.
si Narbasa naman, inalis na rin si Pablo, isinabay na si Naron and Jojo Lim for the first time also.
Oo.
Probably in this series.
Bakit? Oo. Dahil pareho posisyon yung dalawang, silang dalawa nagpapalitan usually. 7 puntos po ang kalamangan ng Alaska. June Reyes, binigay kay Cariaso. Down to 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Romel Gomez, wala. Loose ball, picked up by Richie Tixon. Tixon, binigay kay Kenny Redfield. Sinalubog ni Cariaso at ni June Reyes. The pass picked up by Tixon. His pass, however, goes wild.
Too many errors from the point guard position of Shell. The inexperience is now beginning to tell. That's where they miss Ronnie Magsanok like mad, no? Because the guy knows what he's going to do, and he can drive, he can shoot.
And he can also keep the composure of the team.
He knows when to slow it down and speed it up, no? Which is exactly what Johnny knows.
Ruel Gomez open, wala. Jojo Lim tapped that ball to Kenny Redfield. Still a 7-point lead para sa Alaska. 40 seconds remaining dito po sa ating third quarter. Game 5 of the championship series. Both teams looking to take the advantage.
That's going to be short. Way short.
And
loose ball foul there.
Jojo Lim. Galing siya sa likod ni Ruel Gomez eh. Ilalabas muna si Richie Tixon. Pumalik si Romel Santos sa panig ng Formula Shell.
Well, Shell has fouls to give. They only have 3 team fouls, but if they don't elect to do so, they may be able to get a chance back at the offensive end. May 5.5 seconds differential game clock and shot clock.
Sean Chambers versus Kenny Redfield. Chambers binigay kay Ruel Gomez. Balik ulit kay Chambers. Nakawala si Chambers! Benji Paras is there! Chambers gets it back! Napalpala naman ni Paras! June Reyes! Wala pa rin! Paras! Tips it to the wrong man. June Reyes still can't get it to go. Pero ilang atensyon ng Alaska. And they have a 7-point lead after 3 quarters of play.